Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys 3 ways to increase your Snapchat score fast. So if you want to increase your Snapchat score really fast, maybe you got a new account, or you just want to make it look like you have friends, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So like I said, I'll show you guys 3 ways to increase your Snapchat score fast. But the first way to actually increase your Snapchat score fast is really simple. But the 2 other methods work better than this one, but if you just want to get a little bit of points pretty fast, and I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. And the way to actually use that method is just to use Snapchat normally. So send daily streaks to your friends, and just respond to their snaps right away with a snap, and your score will just go up pretty fast if you just have a lot of people that you're texting or snapping. But that's the first method of increasing your Snapchat score fast. It also is the most simple, and you have no chance of getting banned if you use this method, because you're just using Snapchat normally. However, there are a couple other methods that you can use to increase your Snapchat score much faster, but you have a much higher chance of getting banned if you use these methods. However, it's still not common for you to get banned anyway, even if you use the other methods, but there is a chance, so keep in mind that you can be banned if you use these methods. But I've been using it for a while and I still haven't been banned, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. There are a couple other methods that you can use, so I'll show you them right now. But right before I do that, if you want to, you can go ahead and add me on Snapchat at TubassaTech. You can add me, and then I might text you guys back, I don't know. But if you want to, you can go ahead and do that. However, there are still a couple other methods that I have to show you. And one of the other methods is actually if you go back to your homepage on Snapchat. So you go back to the place where you take your snaps, so the camera location. You might have to click on your top left corner of your screen, or just click on the camera button in the middle of your screen. But once you get here, you want to click on the add friends option at the top right. Then you just want to start adding a bunch of people. Even if you don't know them, just go ahead and add them, and just spam through all the people on your quick add. So just run through all these real quick. If you don't have quick add, if you don't have people to add on quick add, you can also just search for random stuff like your mom or something, and a lot of accounts will show up, so you can add them like that as well. And then once you do that, you want to create a snap and send it to, and then you want to create a story by clicking on the cross in the top of the screen. It should be like a cross inside of a bubble. You want to click on that, and it'll ask you to edit shortcuts, and you want to create a new shortcut, and then you want to add everybody that you have in your Snapchat to that shortcut. Just go through and scroll through and just add everybody that you can to it. If there's a couple people that you don't want to send this snap to, then you don't have to, but everybody that you just added, you can just add them all to this and just send it all to them. However, keep in mind that if they don't accept your friend request, then it won't count as a Snapchat point. So if that's a problem for you, then you can just wait until the third method, which I think works the best, and you could just use that method instead. But like I said, you can just go through here and add everybody that you want, and then you have to choose an emoji for the shortcut, and it can't be multiple emojis like multiple clowns and alien emojis, otherwise it won't work. You just have to choose a single emoji for it. Just go ahead and choose a single emoji. It doesn't matter what emoji it is, as long as you remember it. And once you do that, you can create it. And then you can go back to your snap. You can make it into something like, you can just write like streak on it, so everybody thinks that you're just sending a streak snap, even though you might not actually be doing that. But you can just create the text like kind of funny, so people won't block you after you send it. So just add whatever you want to it. And then once you do that, you can actually just send the snap to the shortcut. So you just click send to in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you choose the emoji, which is the shortcut for it, and you click select on to the right of send to, and it will send it to everybody that you added to the shortcut. Now once you do that, there is one more method that you can use to do it. But as you can see, if I go back and reset my Snapchat and check my points, they have increased a bit. However, the third method that I'm about to show you guys works the best from what I've found. So the third method, what you want to do, you want to log out of your main account on Snapchat. So click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen, and click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen from your profile page, and scroll all the way down until you see the option for log out. Once you find that, click log out, and it'll lock you out of your account. And then you want to click on sign up in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you click sign up, you're going to want to create a new account. And to create a new account, you're going to need to put in a first name and a last name. You can just put in a fake first name and last name. It doesn't matter. You're only going to use this account once. And then once you do that, you can put in a birthday for it as well. So just add whatever you want to it. It's going to create your username. It does not matter what your username is. Make sure you know what your main account's username is, however. And then once you do that, you can just put in a password for your account. And once you put in the password, it can be whatever you want. Like I said, you don't have to log back into it at any time. But once you've put it in, just click continue. And then you want to add in an email. You can go to an email generator website and just grab a random email from there. Those work just fine. That's one of the emails that I'm using right here. Snapchat doesn't stop you from using those, so you can just use a fake email because you're not going to need to log back into this account either. So just go ahead and use a fake email or a real email if you want to. And then you can skip the phone number. So click skip in the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll have created your account. You can just click skip on all these options right here, and then you want to add your main account through this account. So click on the add friends button at the top right, and then put in your username. If you want to, you can also go ahead and add my main account as well if you feel like it. But once you've added your main account, you can go back to your profile page, click on the settings, scroll all the way down, and log out of your account. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to verify your number, but you can just say not now, and then you can log out of your account. You can log back into your main account, and then you want to go ahead and add that account that you just made. Now, once you do that, you're going to want to go to shortcuts once again. So as you can see, I've added them, but you want to go to the camera option, and then in the top right of the middle of the screen, there's a plus icon right there. And if you click on that, then these options will show up here for the My Camera option. And then you want to scroll down until you find the option for multi-snap. Once you find the multi-snap option, you're going to want to take 10 snaps. You might only be able to take 8 depending on your phone, but I can take 10, so I'm going to take 10. And then once you do that, you're going to want to click on Send To. And once you click Send To, it's going to bring up this page again. And you want to create a new shortcut once again. I've already made this shortcut, but what you want to do, you want to make as many of those fake accounts as you can. So you can make a ton of them, as many as you want. Like I said, you can just use an email generator to get infinite emails, but you want to go ahead and add all the accounts that you created to that email. And then once you do that, you can just spam those accounts, and they won't ever report you or block you, so you barely have a chance of getting blocked. Just make sure you don't create too many accounts in the first day, otherwise you might get banned. But you can just go ahead and spam it as many times as you want, like I said. So you want to go and create multiple accounts, add them all to the same shortcut, and just spam them with multi-snaps, because that sends 10 snaps to them at a time. And if you have like 10 accounts, that's like 100 points every time you spam them. And as you can see, that just adds up really quick. So let's say I reset my Snapchat real quick. If I go back to my profile, then you'll actually be able to see that my Snapchat score has increased by 200 in just like 2 seconds. So that is the best method that you can use. But that is how you can those are 3 ways that you can increase your Snapchat score fast. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.